How in the world did I make $2,000 working less than 20 hours? Less than 20 hours, $2,000. I'm shocked and surprised and so thankful, and I'm gonna show y'all exactly how I did this and how you can start and get on your way to owning your time and really starting to do things you love and enjoy. Hey everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Kel'a. If you are new here, welcome. How you doing? How your mama and your daddy and your grandma doing? I hope everybody is doing absolutely amazing like me. I am blessed and highly favored. I'm so happy to be here today, and I want to show you and tell you how you can start to own your time. And what I mean by that is, you ever just think that you spend so much time at a job constantly? I'm here working over 80 hours a month at this job that don't give a damn about me. Well, let me tell you how I work part-time as a loan signing agent, and I can make $2,000 working less than 20 hours. So I'm a loan signing agent. I go into borrowers' homes that want to refinance a home or possibly purchase a house, or if they want to sell a house or whatever. I go in there, I get their IDs, I watch them sign documents, maybe anywhere from 80 to 100 and something pages up to 200 pages. I watch them sign it. It takes me less than 40 minutes to do this. As I watch them sign, I'm making sure everything is correct. I'm making sure they sign correctly, first, middle, last, and date correctly. February the 8th, 2021. I make sure that there are no initials, and if they are initials, they initial it. And I'm making sure there are no errors. You know why? Because less errors, more money. And that is the truth. Title companies and escrow companies want to see zero errors. And if you have errors, they want you to correct them expeditiously. Is it expeditiously? Quick, fast, in a hurry. Let's just go with that. So that's what they want to see you do. Now let's just try to go for the route of no errors, because no errors means, like I said, cha-ching, cha-ching. Okay? When they see that they have an awesome loan signing agent that's not making errors, what do you think they're gonna do? Hello, Kel'a. Can you come back? Can you do another one? Can we book you all week? Now, you can't book me all week, but you know, you can book me twice a week. But you know, it's just really about less errors, accuracy, and literally, if they want scan backs, you scan those things back. Listen, one time I scanned things back so fast with no errors, the lady called me like, did you already do it? I did. She thought that I was sending back documents because it was so fast. I said, I finished it. Everything is complete. Everything is error-free. Everything is signed, stamped, notarized, and it's also FedEx back to you. And what does she do? Calls me all the time now. So I'm thankful. This is not a hard freaking career and industry to be in at all. It's just about being accurate and honestly being thorough and making sure that there is nothing that you missed. So what do? I go in there, I make sure I'm with the correct borrowers, and I check their IDs. I take a picture of them and I send them off to the title company, right? After that, I'm watching them go through these documents, and I'm making sure that they're signing correctly and dating correctly. Once that is all complete, I thank them for their time. I appreciate you. What the next steps are is I'm gonna go ahead and send these off to the title company, and then they'll be in touch with you, okay? Have an amazing freaking week, okay? And then after that, I sit in the car, and sometimes I might say, hey, if you don't mind, can I sit outside in your driveway while I go over to make sure there are no errors, so that I don't have to come back in here, or that nothing is missed, so that this process can go as smooth as possible. And normally they say, no problem. But if you feel uncomfortable saying that, what I want you to do is, I want you to just drive around the corner 2 to 5 minutes away, just in case you missed a small thing. Like sometimes you missed a little initial on that social security paper, or sometimes you might miss an initial on that mortgage or whatever. Some different title companies want different things, so don't think that you know this title company. Triple check, okay? Seriously. Less errors, more money. Okay, so once I complete that, what do? I make sure that it's not a fax backs or scan backs or anything like that. But if it is, I make a stop to the library. The library is free for you to scan an email. Scan that to your email. Scan it and upload it to the signing platform, or scan it directly to the title company, whichever they ask you to do. If there are no scan backs, guess what? You just make sure you are error free and send it right off to FedEx or UPS. Once you are complete, you're done. That is it. I never knew what I had to do after a signing. Nobody told me. I was confused. I should have done more research. That was my fault. Oh well, I learned now, and now I'm telling you, that is it. It takes me anywhere from an hour to an hour and 10, 20 minutes to do this, right? And sometimes it takes me less. You know why? Because sometimes you don't have to make that trip to the library, or if you have a scanner at home, or sometimes you have more than one that don't have any scan backs, so you do them all, and then you send them all at the same time. Less trips. You don't want to make 2 to 10 trips a day, different trips a day to FedEx if it's not necessary. If they don't have any scan backs, gather all your stuff at the same time and send them off. That is what I do. If that's the wrong way to do it, whoops. But for the most part, mine are back to back. So I just boom, boom, and ship them all off together. That is what I do. So like I said, it takes me anywhere from an hour to an hour and 20 minutes. Most of the time it's less than that, give or take a couple of minutes, and then I'm done. And guess what? I just made $100 and something an hour. That is how I did it, and that is how you can do it also. Down below will be all the supply list of everything you need to become a loan signing agent. Down below in the description, okay? I'll also put up here, we're having a giveaway, okay, on the 14th. I told y'all, if you don't have a Valentine's, I'll be your Valentine's. And up here is going to show you the giveaway, the instructions, the video. Comment on that giveaway video below and just give me your Instagram. I'll reach out to 2 people that are going to win. And I appreciate y'all. And I hope that this was helpful. And right here is my boyfriend's YouTube channel. I will put that in the description. Also, Retros to Rees. They talk about retro shoes and shoes that are in Reeboks also, and shoes, just shop it on a budget, okay? Boom, boom, boom. That is it right there. I appreciate y'all, and I hope this was helpful. How the hell can you start owning your own time? Become a loan signing agent, and then that frees up your time to do things that you enjoy and love, because life is so short. Make it the best.